the perspective there. And this is very much mobile PC rather than MID, what I'd call a UMPC rather than MID. But look at the size of that. That's lovely. That must be 25 millimeters maximum thick. It's a very slick, smooth design. This is actually due for Q1 2009 release. The design is final, but it's not a production model we've got here. Very slick. So let's have a look at the inside of that. We've got the 7-inch 1024 by 600 screen. It's a touch screen, speakers on either side, and a fingerprint reader here. So this is really pro mobile stuff. And a really nice keyboard. I've actually had a chance to play with this keyboard, and it's a very nice responsive keyboard. This is something you could use for quite a few hours without any problems. As you can see, they've made it quite wide compared to the 7-inch screen, and they've managed to fit in a very nice keyboard. That's probably bigger than the keyboard you'll find on an EPC, actually. About the same as the MSI Wind keyboard. Now this one has got a 37 watt-hour battery inside, so you're looking at 6, 7, 8, 9 hours of usage, and this is going to be potentially one of the first all-day internet mobile devices. As I said, due for release in Q1 2009. Let's go around the device quickly. On the left-hand side, that is a docking port, I believe, and that's where the SD card slot will be. Microphone, headphone, D-sub for a VGA video output. There's some fans here, fan output, 2 USB and a USB host port, so you can actually hook this up and use this as a storage device or connect it to your PC. There's a DMB antenna or a GPS antenna, DMP antenna, and then on-off lock. Presumably that's where the stylus will be. Obviously no stylus there at the moment. I thought I'd broken it for a minute. I'll just leave that to the side. So obviously swivel screen there. Very nice. No controls on the outside. Would be nice to see a mouse button control there. But take a look at some of the specs on this one, because this one will go right up to 1.8 gigahertz Centrino Atom, so that with Windows XP will absolutely fly, and it should be able to support Windows Vista quite nicely. Options, I'm told, up to 2 gig of RAM, 60 gig hard drives. I don't know if there'll be any SSD drive options on that one.
Not yet.
Not yet.
It's possible to put the SSD, but there's a cost issue.
Yeah, there's a
very simple. Just swapping that our hard disk drive, we can put an SSD like 22G.
Yeah.
Just 5 minutes work to change it, but as you know, 32.
So that really depends on what the customer wants, actually. The reseller wants.
No technology issues.
Yeah, no technology issues. So as I say, 124 by 600 LCD LED backlit display, keyboard. Options for GPS module, Bluetooth, HSDPA module, which would be really nice. Of course, you've got the Wi-Fi, DMB TV for Korea. I guess there's possibly options to put DVB-T in there for Europe. We'll have to see. As you can see there, the 9 hours movie playback figure. H.264 hardware decoding support under Vista. 720p under XP. This is to do with DX9 layers for the hardware decoding. And then there's the options, 830 grams. So this is about the same weight as a Q1 Ultra. In fact, it's not much wider than a Q1 Ultra, and it's certainly thinner than the Q1 Ultra. But with that keyboard included, it makes a whole lot of difference. Size 228 millimeters wide. So that's the S7. That's the S7 device from Viliv. Q1 2009. This is Chippy from IDF in San Francisco.